was really great. I would recommend it to everyone. Super teacher, super service, caters to all wishes. I would do it again anytime. The cooking class was very good. The chef communication was easy to follow. The farm was very nice. The weather was perfect. We had a blast. Really interesting and exciting. I was there with my dada and we are both fully enjoyed the cooking experience. Totally recommend. I had cooking class years ago, but when I arrived grandma's, the size and scale of the place amazed me. So big, clean, eggable. In general very fun and easy to follow. I went with my 70-yo dad and 8-yo kid, still managed to cook the dishes in ease, and we all went home with a full heart and belly. Last but not least, Jimmy, you were a star who gave 200% to the class. It's a beautiful school, with lovely open-plan classrooms. It has a large garden, a farm, and a vegetable patch. At the same time, several groups are taking Thai cooking classes in each classroom, and everything is wonderful. We absolutely wanted to take a cooking class while in Thailand, and I'm so glad it ended up being in Chiang Mai at Grandma's cooking school. Delicious food in a beautiful location. It was well organized and a lot of fun. Natalie was fantastic. We did the morning class, but a full day would have been perfect. Thanks to Mac for the cooking class. We loved cooking and tasting our dish. Now we just have to try it out in France. So much fun. They picked us up at our hotel and took us home afterwards. The group we were with, we all had individual cooking areas. We created our own menus. We walked through the garden and learned about everything. Even got to have fresh eggs from the chickens who were laying them. It was just amazing experience and we loved our chef hostess who was Tay. Great experience, a wonderful instructor who was patient and helpful. The cooking was not difficult, and the food was tasty. My wife and I had an amazing time at Grandma's cooking school. Our instructor Levine was very funny and very informative and made us feel at home. The instructions were clear and we all made delicious meals that were probably our favorite thing we ate on the trip. We ate hot and sour soup, red curry, pad thai and the mango sticky rice. We got to see the local market, learn about the ingredients we would use, see them in the beautiful garden on the grounds of the beautiful cooking school, and then alternate between cooking a meal and eating. This was immediately one of our trip highlights and we will recommend to anyone, with a specific shout out to Levin.